So in this Etsy tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to update your city location here on Etsy. So once Etsy is opened up, go to the top right, press on your accounts, and then press on view your profile. Once you're here, go ahead and press on edit public profile right here. Then once you're here, you can go ahead, you must choose a city from the drop down in order to have your shop appear in your local search. So for example, if you were to go ahead to city right here, you can go ahead and type in whatever city you're looking for. So you can do Calgary in my case. You can go ahead and type in Vancouver. You can type in whatever you're looking for. So Vancouver just like this. So Vancouver would work exactly like that. That works perfectly fine. So you can go ahead type in this, for example, and then your listings and all your searches will show up in this region. And if all looks good, go ahead, press on Save Changes, and then proceed that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to update your city location on Etsy. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.